So we are doing SLRF on passing, and after considering the passing table only we can say whether it is SLRF on or not, and we cannot consider the table directly. To consider the table we must first construct the canonical set of items. Based on the canonical set of items we consider the partition table. So coming to the canonical set of items, it can be divided into two parts. One is closure operation and the other one is go to operation. The first part is closure operation, so we are doing that. So construction of closure operation, initially add s dash dir dot s. Initially add s dash dir dot s. And what is the second step? So before going to the second step I will explain the second step with example. Okay, now look at this, don't write anything. Look at this grammar, just look at this grammar, don't write anything. We are constructing canonical set of items. So initially at very starting what must we do? We must add s dash dir dot s. If s is the start symbol, of course s is the start symbol. Now look at this. So initially add s dash dir dot s. Every one of you look at this one, s dash dir dot s. Okay, after dot immediately whatever the symbol is there, after dot immediately whatever the symbol it is present, whatever the symbol present, that symbol we call it as shift symbol. Shift symbol means the symbol which is immediately after dot. If the shift symbol is a non-terminal, of course s is a non-terminal. Every non-terminal definitely will have minimum one production. Every non-terminal will have definitely minimum one production it will have, or maybe more than one. Now dot after s and it is a non-terminal, so that is the reason, because of dot after a non-terminal, whatever the dot after immediately a non-terminal, we must add every portion of that non-terminal. So we must add every portion of s here, and s has one production, that is s dir ab. So add every portion of s by placing the dot before the right side. So that is right side of the string. So immediately after arrow you just add the dot. Do you understand? No problem, just listen, you will understand everything. Okay, so initially s dash dir dot s, dot after s, and s is a non-terminal, add its production. Hello, look at this again, dot after immediately, what is the symbol? A. It's a non-terminal, every non-terminal will have minimum one production. Yes, we have a has two productions. So copy every portion of a, or add every portion of a here by placing the dot. One is A's production, the other one is A. So add every portion of A by placing the dot. Now look at this, hello, after dot a terminal, terminals won't have any productions, non-terminal only will have productions. So because this is a terminal, so we cannot add any other productions here. So close this one, I am closing, and this is one state, and I will name this as one state. This I will name it as I naught. If not I naught, you just name it as Q naught or Q1, anything. The naming is anything. Int I, instead of int I, you take int I square I. What is the problem? Okay. So here s dash dir dot s, dot ab, and here dot after S, that is the reason I added S production. Dot after A, I added A's production. Dot of terminal, dot of terminal. So here you should not add B's production, B dash dot B like this. You should not add B's production like this, because in this state nowhere B is a shift symbol. Shift symbol means which is present immediately after dot. Here dot after B is there, but it is not immediately. So that is the reason you should not add the B's productions here. Okay. Now, so I closed. This is I naught. So in general, what is the rule for this one? Okay. Look at this. Suppose there is a production A dash alpha dot B beta. Just don't bother about what is alpha and what is beta. You just look at this production. What is the shift symbol? Look at this production. What is the shift symbol? What is the shift symbol here? What is the meaning of shift symbol? Shift symbol means the symbol which present immediately after dot. So what is the immediately after dot? It is a B. It is a B. And what is this B? It is a non-terminal. So suppose the name of this state is I. I repeat. In general, there is one state. Let the name of that state is I. In that state, you have one production. A dash alpha dot B beta. The shift symbol is B. It is a non-terminal. Suppose B has a production like this. B dash gamma. So because after dot a shift symbol B, and it is a non-terminal, we must add every portion of B. If B has two productions, you have to add two portions. If B has 100%, you must add every portion of B by placing the dot. This is the second rule. Do you understand? So even though you understood only 20-30% of this entire story, no problem. At the end you will get 100%. Okay. Now come to this one. This is the initial step. Initially add S dash dash dot S. Now what is the next step? If A dash alpha dot B beta, A dash alpha dot B beta is in I, some states, name of the state like this one, I, okay, and if B dash gamma is a production, then add B dash, this is the production of B dash dot gamma in I. Okay. Now, so I write the same here. Suppose we have A dash alpha dot B beta in I, and suppose B dash gamma is the production. Because dot after B it is a non-terminal, we must add the B's production in this same state. So guys, you just copy this 1, 2 and this box also. You will understand in future if you reopen the book after 1 year. Okay. So when whatever the class is going, please revise the notes immediately within 1 or 2 days. Best before coming to the next class, if you revise my notes, you don't forget. Otherwise, okay, even though you understood completely, if you don't open book for 1 month or 10 days, you will forget everything. So revise every concept. If you revise once, you will remember easily for long time. So copy this one, 1, 2, this, and don't copy this grammar. Done. This is construction of closure operation. We have only two rules in the closure operation. So initially S dash 0 is dot S, then we add, based on this rule, we add the remaining productions. Okay. Now this is about closure operation. We have two rules. One is closure operation. Now we'll see go to operation. We'll see go to operation. Closure operation done. I hope every one of you copied. Construction of go to operation. Construction of go to operation. Okay. It's very simple, guys. Only one rule we have in this. Okay. We have only one rule in this. Now, simple. Suppose there is a production A derives alpha dot x beta in some I, some state in I. Okay. The meaning of this one is there is a state I. The name of the state is I. And in this production, in this state, there is a production like this. Okay. There is a state called I. And in this state, the production is like this. Here, every time you must concentrate on the shift symbol. Shift symbol. What is the shift symbol here? X is the shift symbol. Now, for every production, okay, for in every state, for every production, in that production, for every shift symbol, this is a production. For every shift symbol, we write the go to. What is the meaning of go to? Go to. And what is the name of the state? Name of the state is I. And what is the shift symbol here? The shift symbol is X. So we write the go to for every shift symbol. What is the shift symbol here? X. So what is the meaning of go to? Go to means just move the dot. Here the dot is here na. Just move the dot one position forward. Initially I told you na, there is a suppose production for initially dot. Okay, dot x. After this x dot yz. After this xy dot z. After this xyz dot. I told you na, this one. You remember before at the time of augmented grammar, I told you like that. So dot will be moved. Go to of the name of this state is I and shift symbol is shift symbol is x. So go to of I comma x means just you move the dot one position forward. That's it. And it is a different state, just name it as a Ij. Now here my question is, what is x here? X can be any symbol. It is a shift symbol. What is shift symbol? Maybe a terminal or a non-terminal. Here x can be a terminal or a non-terminal. Okay, that is what. So if A derives alpha dot x beta is in I, then go to of it is in I and the shift symbol is x. So go to of I comma x equal to, what is the go to? Just move the dot one position forward. Okay, that okay. Here what is x? X can be a terminal or non-terminal. So what is the meaning of go to? Just move the shift symbol, move the dot one position forward. Shift the dot one position forward. So copy if you want this one. So you can take like this also. This is in I and suppose then go to of I comma x. So what does it means? Yx, because dot after x, that is the reason I wrote x. Just move the dot one position forward. And this is suppose Iz. So here x can be a terminal or non-terminal. Simply for every shift symbol, whether it is a terminal or non-terminal, we write the go to operation. Okay. Next. Copied. So it's simple. When we do the example, you will understand. It's simple. Okay, closure operation and go to operation. So only two parts consisting of canonical set of items. Closure operation, go to operation, 2 parts. So closure operation is done and go to operation is also done. I hope you have copied this one. So make it fast. Make it fast. Only one rule in go to part. Okay. Now, so for practice, I'll give you one question. Construct canonical set of items for the following grammar. For the following grammar. So this previous example only I'll give you. S derives AB, A derives AA or A, and B derives B. The same example. Okay, take this question. Diksha, Shekhar, sir, can we have holiday tomorrow? You take holiday after CD subject, boss. Let me complete the CD subject. So by Friday, I will complete. And tomorrow, I will start the class little bit late because some of you are requesting. So some of you have the college in the morning. So I'll change the timings tomorrow, and Sunday it will be full day, and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I will complete. But no question of holiday tomorrow and day after tomorrow because it is a full day class. If I give you the class tomorrow holiday, so it will be difficult to me to complete because every day we are getting hardly 3.5 hours, not more than that in weekdays. Okay, now look at this. Easy. Now, don't do anything. Just listen. Blindly look at me. Okay. Just don't any doubt. Just leave your doubt. Don't try to ask me any doubt. Just look at this. Now, initially, you remember we add s dash derives dot s. S dash derives dot s. Whatever the grammar is given, whatever the start symbol, you just take that start symbol, you add s dash. If E is the start symbol, you add E dash. Okay, E dash derives E, S dash derives S, like that. So S dash derives dot S and dot after S, it is a non-terminal. So because of this shift symbol is non-terminal, we must add every production of this non-terminal S as one production. So that is the reason I have added S production here, S derives dot AB. So again dot after A, it is a non-terminal. So add every production of A. A has 2 productions. one is A and the other one is A. So I have added A's production here. Now dot after terminal. Terminals won't have any production. Dot after terminal. Terminals won't have any production. So we cannot add any other productions in this state. So I will close this. I will close this. And I will name this as some I naught. Do you understand? This is already I have explained previously at the time of explaining this step. The same example. Okay? Now this is I naught. Okay? So now look at this. We must write the go to operation. We must write the go to operation for every shift symbol. Shift symbol means what? Whatever the symbols in this state, whatever the symbols immediately after dot, whatever the symbols in this state immediately after dot, for those every symbols, we must write the go to operation. Example for this dot after S, dot after A, dot after A, dot after A. For all these, you must write the go to operation. So I am writing the go to operation in the order. Means first I write for this, then for this, then for this. I'll write like that. So go to of. What is the name of the state? I naught. Okay, I naught. And what is the shift symbol here? Yes. So go to of I naught comma yes, I am writing. So what is the meaning of go to? Just move the dot. Just move the dot. I told you na, move the dot. If this is one in I, go to of I comma x means what? Just move the dot. Move the dot one symbol forward. Move the dot one symbol forward. Here dot is there na? Just we move the dot. We move the dot. Okay. We have moved the dot. Now look at this. Dot after dot के बाद क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. Okay. Dot के बाद कुछ नहीं है. कुछ नहीं. So close this one. Close this one. Now name this as some I1. So whenever you are giving the names, better you give in the order. Okay. So this is I naught, this is I1. So this part is done. This part is done. Now what is the next shift symbol? A. So for every shift symbol, we must write the go to. Go to of I naught comma capital A. This is capital A. What is the meaning of go to? So whenever you are writing the go to, first move the dot. Move the dot. So first you move the dot. Okay, I will move the dot. I will move the dot. Then hello. Did you observe here? Dot after here. Here dot after what is this? A non-terminal. Here dot after nothing. So that is the reason I have closed this part. So you remember initially here while writing this one S dash here dot S, dot after S its production, dot after A its production. Like that we have added na here also. I naught comma A, just move the dot. Yes, I have moved the dot. And dot after we have a non-terminal B, and B has a productions. B has one production. So add its production by placing the dot. Do you understand? Dot after non-terminal, because of B non-terminal we added its production, and dot after terminal. So terminals won't have any productions, so you cannot add any other production in this state. So close this with I2. Okay na? Now here what is this shift symbol? A. And what is the shift symbol? A. Both are same symbols na? If same shift symbol present multiple times, whether it is present 2 times or 3 times or 300 times, all these go to of, look at this, go to of, the name of the state is I naught, and here shift symbol is A, here also A. So all these must you write for the same state only. What I mean to say here is, look at this, I will tell you, I naught comma A. What is the go to? What is the meaning of go to? Just move the dot. Okay. And this is also same symbol na? So move the dot. Are you following? Now what I mean to say is here, this is A, so for this if I shift the dot, this one, okay, and for this if I shift the dot, this one, okay, move the dot, this one, move the dot, this one. So you should not write to this to one state, this to another state. You should not do like this. You should not do like this. You should not do like this. It is not correct. Whenever a shift symbol present multiple times, yes, multiple times, all these must go to a single state like this. All these must go to single state, but not like this separately. Because here and here the shift symbol, here A and here also A. I think you understood this one. Now come to this one. Okay, now this is I naught A. I have shifted. For this I have shifted. Hello. After shifting, did you observe here? Dot after what? Dot after what? A non-terminal. So whenever a non-terminal is there, you must add its production. A has two productions. What are the A's productions? These are the A's productions. A and A. So add its production A and add its second production A. Now I will repeat. I naught comma A shifted. I naught comma A shifted. After that, dot after non-terminal, add its production. Now dot after nothing, dot after terminal, dot after terminal. Terminals cannot be added. So close this. I am closing this and name it as I3. So in the sequence, you just give the numbering I0, I1, I2, I3. Now every one of you look at this. Look at this. So this is I0 comma S, I0 comma capital A, I0 comma small a. So we have completed I0. We have completed I0. Okay, done. Come to I1. In I1, if any symbol is there after dot, here after dot what is the symbol? There is no symbol. After dot there is no symbol. So you cannot write the go to for I1. As there is no symbol after dot, you cannot write the go to for I1. Leave it. Come to I2. Dot after B. So write the go to for capital B. Here dot after small b. Write the go to for small b. And then I come to I3. Go to for A. Go to for A. Go to for A. This all you must do one by one. Okay. Now look at this. I will write. So I0 is completed. I repeat. I0 comma S. I0 comma capital A. I0 comma small a. I1 is also completed. Now I am taking I2. I am taking I2. Go to of I2. The name of the state is I2. And what is the shift symbol? B. I2 comma B. I2 comma B. What is the meaning of go to? Simple. Remember, go to means move the dot. Move the dot one position forward. So here dot is here na, just move the dot. AB dot. AB dot. Just move the dot. Now dot after what is this? Nothing. When dot after nothing, you cannot add any other productions in this state. So close this and name it as I4 because this is already I3. So this is done. This is done. Now come to this one. So go to of what is the name of the state? I2. I2. And what is the shift symbol? B. Shift symbol is B. Are you following? So I2 and the shift symbol is B. So what should I do? Just move the dot. Move the dot. Yes. Move the dot. Okay. Moved. I have moved the dot. Yes. Dot after nothing. If nothing is there, you cannot add any productions. Then close it. Name it as I5. Name it as I5. So this is I2 comma B. I2 comma small b. So I2 is completed. Now close this one. I2 is completed. Now come to I3. Hello, come to I3. This is the symbol. This is the I3, the shift symbol. Shift symbol. I am writing go to of. What is the name of the state? The name of the state I3. I3. And what is the shift symbol here? A. So take that. For every shift symbol, whatever the state you are taking, in that state, whatever the shift symbol, for that every shift symbol you must write the go to operation. So in I3, the first shift symbol is A. So for this I am writing, so I3 comma, shift symbol A. What is the meaning of go to? So for this you are writing, na? Just move the dot, move the dot, move the dot. Okay, just move the dot. I have moved. And here dot after what is the symbol? Dot after what is symbol? Nothing. When nothing is there, you cannot add any other production in this state. Then close this. This is I6. Are you following? Now this is done. Hello. For this already dot is n. Na? Dot is n. You cannot write the go to for this production because dot after nothing is there. Whenever dot after something is there, for that something we write the go to operation. Okay. Dot after A. This is dot after nothing. Close this. Now hello. Look at this carefully. And for this this is dot after A. This is also a same shift symbol multiple times present. These two will go to same. If more are there, all of them will go to same state. I am writing go to of I3. This is name of this is I3. And what is the shift symbol here? A. So I am writing. Guys, look at this. What is the go to of meaning for this? Just move the dot. Okay, moved. And for this, move the dot. Okay, I have moved. For this one. For this one. Hello, have you observed dot after a non-terminal? Whenever dot after non-terminal, you must add every portion of that non-terminal. A has two portions. One is AA and the other one is A. So you must add every portion of A by placing the dot. Okay. So I repeat, I3 comma small a. Move the dot, this one. Move the dot, this one. Dot after A, I added. Now, dot after nothing, dot of terminal. So, close this one. And before giving the new name, already this I6, na? So, before giving the new name as I7, every time, I1, I2, I3, I4, whenever you are giving the new name to the any state, just observe, have a look, whether already that state is created or not. You just look at this, whatever we have. Do we have the same here also? Whatever the productions in this state, and this and this both are same or not? Exactly. A dash A dot A here also, A dash A dot here also, A dash dot A here also, A dash dot A here also, everything is same. Whenever everything same you are getting, then don't give the new name as I7. If you give I7, then I8, then I9, it will never end. 2022 will be ended, but this never will be ended. So whenever the same state will be coming, you just make sure whether it is created. Yes, it is created. What is the name of the state? This is I3. So instead of we are giving the new name as I7, as it is already created. What is the name of the state? I3. So I3 comma A, we write I3 only. Okay. So I3 comma capital A, this is done, and small a done. I3 is done. Come to I4. I4 dot after nothing. I5 dot after nothing. I6 dot after nothing. That's it. We have completed the canonical set of items for this grammar. So how many states we got finally? I0 to I6. 7 states we have. Okay. So this is the way of writing the canonical set of items for any grammar. So just this is an example. Now we will do the standard question completely with the table. You just copy this one. Sandeep Pal, 7 states. How did you get 6 states only? Okay, 7 states wrongly typed. Okay. I have seen. Next message. Copied. Done. Copied. Pooja. Okay. Harshit Sharma, please don't change tomorrow's timings. But some of your friends are asking to change the timings as they are having morning college in the morning, and some of you are asking some work in the evening, so you are asking to keep the same timings. So how can I satisfy? How can I satisfy every one of you? I do one thing. I'll reduce the timings so that everyone will be happy. Okay? For your satisfaction, I will try to reduce the timings. Thank you all for your compliments. Where is Shivam Kumar? I think if he copies, means everyone has copied. Where are you, Shivam Kumar? The day one you told me, we are not a machines, please give me time to copy. Where are you, Shivam? So completion of the subject, I will take care of it. Without completing, I don't go. Okay. So I complete the subject completely. That is my headache. So who is having problem? Oh, 9 only. Everybody is saying 9 only. Okay. If the timings are from 11 to 5, instead of 9 to 4, if 11 to 5. Oh, Tushar, your call is also there but not going. So it is impossible to satisfy every one of you. If it is 11 to 5, is it okay? Instead of 9 to 4, if it is 11 to 5, is it okay? Aryan Jaiswal, I'll complete the syllabus on time only. Whatever the allotted time, in that time only I have to complete. I know. I7 is already created, Sudeshana Rakshit. I7 already, whatever I7 and I3 both are same. Whenever you are getting the same state, you should not give the new name again. Nine only. No holiday. Wow. Okay, समझ गया. Okay, we'll do the standard question. Take, okay, stop giving messages. Construct an SLRF1 parsing table for the following grammar. It is the standard question. For this standard question, we consider the parsing table. Okay, once we consider the parsing table, then only we can say whether it is SLRF1 or not. We consider the table. In the table everywhere, wherever you made the entry, if all those entries are single, then the grammar is said to be SLRF1. But directly we cannot consider the parsing table. First we must consider the canonical set of items. These are the canonical set of items. I0, I1, I2, I3. So like this also, like this, here also, we consider the as canonical set of items first. Then based on those canonical set of items, how to consider the parsing table, I will tell you, I will give you the procedure, then we go for the construction of the table. But before the table, you must write the canonical set of items. Okay, just copy this one, copy. Okay, now look at this. This is the start symbol. E is the start symbol. So initially add augmented protection. Stop sending messages. Every one of you, look at this. I don't do this completely. I will do some part only. The rest of the part you have to do. Okay. So initially add augmented protection. So as E is the start symbol, I write E dash DRS dot E. Okay. Now here after dot E dash DRS dot E, after dot E, it is a non-terminal. Then you must add every portion of E, because dot after non-terminal. E has two productions. One is this and second is this one. So add every production of E. So I am adding one production, the first production, I am adding the second production of E. So dot after E dash DRS dot E, dot after E, and it is a non-terminal. So that is the reason we must add every portion of E. E has two productions. I have added E drs dot E plus T, E drs dot T. Okay. Now look at this, guys. Hello every one of you. So here dot after E. So dot after non-terminal. So add every portion of E. E has two productions, E plus T and E drs dot T. Again dot after E, again E productions. Don't do this kind of mistakes like this. So you know na, it is a set. In any set, A comma B comma A comma B comma, no one will write like this. Same element, same A already once written. We don't write the same A again. Once B is written, we don't write the B again and again in the same set. So like that, already E drs dot E plus T. Here we wrote na. And E drs dot T, here we wrote na, then don't write the again and again same production in the same state. Same productions in the same state, don't write the multiple times. Now dot E, dot after E, its production. Now hello, dot after T, T is a non-terminal. T has two productions. T derives dot T star F. T derives dot F. Okay. We wrote the two productions. Again dot after T. Already we wrote the T production. Na? So don't write the same productions. If you get the new production, yes, look at this dot after F. Do you understand? Dot after T, it has two productions. I wrote this one. Dot after F. F is also having two productions. One is open parenthesis E closed parenthesis. The other one is ID. So add every portion of F by placing the dot. Okay. Dot of terminal. So you cannot add any other production in the same state. So close it. So no new production will be added here. And name this as I0. Any doubt? Anybody? Look at this. I hope you also got the same. Okay. Meanings to okay. Now look at this. For every shift symbol in I0, if you look at this one, dot after E, both are same symbols. So go to of I0 comma E. If you can write perfectly the LR of 0 items for this grammar, if you can write perfectly, so you can write any grammar, for any grammar. Okay, so do it very carefully. So both are same symbols. So E derives. For this, dot will be moved here. For this, so whenever you are writing, go to first shift the dot. For this one. For this one. Now look at this one. Dot after nothing. Dot के बाद कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay? So from this you cannot add anything. Here dot के बाद प्लस है. लेकिन प्लस क्या है? टर्मिनल का कुछ भी no production will be there for terminal. So you cannot add any new productions here because dot after nothing, dot after terminal. So terminals won't have any productions, so we cannot add any other productions in this state. So close this one. Close this one. I am closing. Okay, and name it as I1. Do you understand? Now this is done. The first part is done for this E. Now look at this, guys. Hello, this is T and this is also T. If the same shift symbol present multiple times, yes, this one and this one. So for this I am writing go to off, the name of this state is I0 and the shift symbol is T. So I am writing. So what will be this? E deres. For this, just move the dot. Okay. And for this, move the dot. T dot star F. Are you following? So for this, this one. For this, this one. Now, dot after nothing. Dot after terminal. Terminals won't have any productions. So close this. You cannot add any other productions in this state. So name this as I2. Very simple. Now, here dot after F. F is only one place. So write go to off I0 comma F. I0. This is the name of this is I0 and here shift symbol is F. So if I write the go to for this, what will you get? Just move the dot. Yes. Just move the dot. I have moved the dot. And dot after what is the symbol? Nothing. If nothing is there, you cannot add any other productions in this state. So close it and name it as I3. Okay. So I0 comma E, I0 comma T, I0 comma F. We have done till F. Now look at this. Hello. What is this symbol here? Open. You must write the go to for every shift symbol, whether it is a non-terminal or whether it is a terminal. For every symbol you must write the go to. So look at this carefully. Go to of, the name of this state is I0 and the present shift symbol is open. So for I0 comma open I am writing. Every one of you please look at this. If I write the go to for this production, just move the dot. Okay, move the dot. Yes, moved. Are you following? Move the dot. Yes, I have moved. After moving the dot, here did you observe dot after what is the symbol? Hello, dot after what is the symbol? It is a terminal, non-terminal. It is E. Do you understand? Dot after non-terminal. Then you add every production of non-terminal. Every production of E. E has two productions. So dot E plus T and dot T. Dot E plus T and dot T. Now hello, dot after T. So add every portion of T. T has two productions. One is T star F and the other one is F. Do you understand? Whenever dot after non-terminal, dot after T, its productions. Again dot after F, its productions. F deres dot open E closed and F deres dot ID. So close this one. Now, before giving the new name, just verify whether this state is created. Yes sir, this one and this one same. So go to of I0 comma open, don't give the name. You just use I0 comma open equal to I0. No. Look at this. Here what is the first production? E deres dot E. Here what is the first production? F deres open dot E. Of course, from here everything is same. But the first one and here the first one not same. Whenever you are giving the same, using the same state, it must have every production must be same. Everything must be same. So this state and this state are not same. Oh, of course, these are all 6 productions. These 6 productions are same, but the first production year and the first production year different. So I cannot use this as I naught. Do you understand? So definitely you must give the new name. So let it be I4, because I1, I2, I3 and this is I4. Okay, now see I naught comma E, this one, I naught comma D, this one, I naught comma F, this one, I naught comma open, that one. Now what is left? What is left? This ID is left. So I am writing go to of I naught comma ID for this. So what will you get? Just move the dot. Yes, I have moved. And dot after nothing. If dot after nothing, close this, because you cannot add any other production, and name this as I5 because it is nowhere. I5. That's it, guys. We have completed I naught. Come to I1. First production is completed. And second production. Are you following? Second production. What is the second production? This one. So write it. Go to of. What is the name of the state? I1. And first one is completed. Dot after nothing. Leave it. Second one. Dot after what is the shift symbol? Plus. So I1 comma plus. So what is the meaning of this one? Go to, just move the dot. So E there is E plus dot T. Are you following? E there is E plus dot T. Just this dot will be moved. Okay. Now dot after T. So add every portion of T. T has two productions. One is T star F and the other one is F. Now hello. Again dot after F. F has two productions. Now copy this. Open E, close, and ID. Now it is done. Now close this. Okay. And name this as I6 because till I5 we have used. This is I5. Now I6. So I1 is completed. Now come to I2. I2 first one is completed. Come to I3. I2 comma star. I1 is completed. I2 first one is completed. Then I2 comma star. I3 completed. Then I4. Then I5 completed. Then I6, I7, I8. So on. You just carry on. Babu, 14 states, Vaibhav, it's wrong. Divya Chauhan, 11 states, wrong. Yeah, Divya Chauhan, now it is correct. Yes, Ayush, correct. Mukul Yadav, wrong. Siddharth Soni, wrong. Total I0 to I11. 12 states you must get. 12 states, I0 to I11. States. Yeah, Rikati Paul, 12 states, I0 to I11. You please try, every one of you. Tomorrow I will take from 10 o'clock, 10 to 5, that is fixed. So whoever having class, college, you just go to, you can bunk if you try. If you can bunk, you just try. Otherwise, you just watch the recorded videos and come back. Whenever you come back from the college, you just attend to the class. So 10 to 5 is a fixed. And Sunday 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, depends. So we have done this I1. Come to I2. I2 first production is completed. I2 first production is completed. Take the second production. Go to of I2 comma star. I2 comma star. The first one is done. We cannot write the go to for the first production because dot of nothing. And the second production, dot after star. So I2 comma star. I2 comma star. So what is the meaning of go to? Just move the dot. Move the dot. T star dot F. Just move the dot. Dot after F na? So F has two productions. One is open E closed and the other one is ID. Now close this one. Close this one. And name this as I7. I7. And we don't have this state anywhere else. So I2 is completed. I3 already completed. I3 already completed. Okay. Now come to I4. This is I4. This is I4. Okay. Are you following? I4. Now this is E. Hello. Dot of E. Here also dot of E. Here what is the shift symbol? Capital E. Here what is the shift symbol? Capital E. Do you have capital E anywhere? Here. But it is not a shift symbol. Here shift symbol is what? Terminal. So in all this in this entire state, the shift symbol is here E and here E. Both are same symbols. So go to of I0. Sorry. This is what? I4. I4 comma E. I4 comma E. So what will you get? Just move the dot. Move the dot. If I move the dot will come here for this production. And for this production, if I move the dot, E there is for this E dot plus T. Okay. Now close this one. Because dot after terminal. Terminal won't have any production. Dot of terminals won't have any production. That is the reason I am closing. And name this as I8. And it is nowhere else. Okay. Now every one of you look at this. Hello. We have T here. We have T here and also T here. So both are same symbols. I am writing go to of I4 comma T. Just look at this. For this I am writing. For these two. For this one and for this one I am writing. So if I write for the first one, dot will come after T. If I write the go to for the second one means this one. T dot star F. So dot after nothing, dot after terminal. You cannot add any other production. So look at this, guys. Do we have this state? and earlier, yes, this state and this state, both are same or not? Whenever we get the same state, so don't give the new name. Somebody has asked me in the previous example, E dash T dot, T dash T dot sorry of this one and this one both are same. So that is the reason instead of giving this new name as I9, because already this state is here, so what is the name of the state? I2. I will give the name as I2. That is the meaning, mister. Somebody has asked me this one. Okay. Now go to of I4, hello, T is completed, then I4 comma F, T there is F dot, which is this one, I3. So I4 comma F is I3, it is completed. Next come to open, hello, open, I4 comma open. What you will get? Open dot. This dot will be moved here. Again E, again T, again F. So I4 comma open, you will get the same. Just you just move the dot. F dash open dot E close. Again dot of T, E dash E dot E plus T and E dash dot T. Again T productions, again F productions, everything which is I4. So I4 comma open, go to of I4 comma open is I4 only. Next go to of I4 comma ID, I4 comma this one ID, which is this one. F there is ID dot. Okay, dot will be moved. F there is ID dot, which is I5. So I4 is completed, and after I4 what is this? I5. I5 is also dot after nothing, I5 is completed. Then come to I6. This is I6. Come to I6. Go to of I6, and what is the symbol? This is T and this is T, both are same. Hello, shift symbol T, both are same. So I6 comma T. So what you will get? Just move the dot, E plus T dot, this dot will be moved, and for this T dash T dot star F. Hello, for this dot, dot after nothing, dot after terminal. So you cannot add any other productions in this state. So close this, and this is nowhere. So name it as I9. Now this is done, and dot after F. So go to of I6. The name of the state is I6, and shift symbol is F. You will get, what will you get? If I write that, go to for this T dash F dot. T dash F dot already we have, which is I3. You look at this. Where is? Yeah, T dash F dot, I3. Okay, this is I3, T dash F dot. So that is the reason I have used that. Okay, next, this is done, and come to this one. Go to of, what is the name of the state? This name of the state, this is I6 comma open. If I write the I6 comma open, this dot will come to open dot E, again E, again T, again F, which you get I4 only. Then go to of I6, this one, I6 comma ID, F dash ID dot, which is I5, F dash ID dot, this one, F dash ID dot, which is I5. Okay, so thus I6 also completed. Now come to I7. This is I7. Hello, this is I7. I7, this one I7, I6 after I7. So this is F. For F I am writing go to of I7 comma F. What you will get? You just move the dot. T derives T star F dot. Just move the dot. Yes, I have moved. Dot after nothing, then close and name this as I10 because it is nowhere. It is nowhere. I9 already done na? This is I9 and after that I10. Okay, now. So first one is done. Then come to I7 comma open. I7 comma open. Go to of I7 comma open. What will you get? F there is dot will come open dot E again T again F which is I4 Next go to of I7 comma ID. I7 comma this is ID. What will you get? F there is ID dot which is I5. This is which is I5 this one. So I7 is also completed. I7 is also completed. After I7 I8 come to I8. Come to I8. I am writing I8 here. Go to of. I write here. Go to of I8. What is the first production? This one. I8 comma closed. So I8 comma closed. What is the meaning of go to of I8 comma this one? F derives open E. The dot is here na? Dot just move the shift the dot. So I have shifted dot after nothing, then close this one, and we don't have this state anywhere. So name this as I11. Done. This is done. Next go to of I8. In I8 we have one more production. This is I8 na? I8 comma plus. What will you get? You just move the dot. E. If you move the dot, what will you get? E there is E plus dot T. Again T, again F, which you will get this same state. So which is I6. So I8 is completed. And now come to I9. I9 first production is completed. Come to the second production. I9 comma star. Go to of I9 comma star. So what will you get? I9 comma star. So you just move the dot. T there is T star dot F. Which is this one. T star dot F. Again F. So which you will get the same. So what is the state? I7. Therefore I9 comma star is I7. So I9 is completed. Come to I10 completed. Dot after nothing. I11 is completed. So total 0 to 11. 12 states you will get. So this is total. So this is the complete. Total I0 to I11, 12 states. I0 to I11, Prajwal Bolte. It is I0 to I11, 12 states. See, this is I11. You have done somewhere mistake. Sudeshna Rakshit, you also. Ayushi Pandir. So, we have LR of 0 items. Then based on these LR of 0 items, we will construct the SLR of one partition table. How to construct the SLR of one partition table? Tomorrow we will see. So the final timings, and based on your all of your requests, I have decided from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Total 7 hours. In between breaks will be there. So you will get 6 to 6.5 hours. Maximum 6 hours you will get. So 6 hours of class will be there tomorrow. Actually, on Saturday and Sunday, I used to take 8 hours of class. If I start from 9 to evening 6, okay, I will get 8 hours of class. But as tomorrow some of you are having colleges, and but Sunday is fixed. This is for tomorrow, and Sunday is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is fixed. Sunday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and tomorrow 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So whoever is having college, you try to bunk. If not, then immediately come after your college and watch the recorded videos after my live class. Okay, that's all guys, and thank you.